Yeah.
Ito, sa may grotto. Yan. Slowly.
Yeah.
Nice looking. Kita mo? Isa na isa. Meow. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty? Ayun, yung green.
Yeah.
Yan o, sa may pot. Sa potato cut. Hi!
Yeah.
Hanap na ang food inside ko na balang ilaw.
What's here?
You see it?
No.
Ito, come dito ka. I show you here. Step to here.
Yeah.
Step up. It's small. Ayan, gagalaw na siya.
Yeah.
Ito na lang, here. Yan, nakita mo here sa hall.
What hole?
Yan, diretso.
In that hole?
No, there, sa may plant, sa leaves, sa may chair. Kita mo yung chair there?
Yeah.
Yun, sa likod nun. He's trying to get down. Wala na, bumaba na siya.
Good job.
Yun
Why
na
that
chair.
one?
Tinatakot ko siya eh.
Here's a metal chair.
There.
This,
Doon sa likod pa.
that.
Yeah, but he scared it. He went down na. Sa pot siya kanina.
What pot?
Doon sa pinakalikod, close to the wall. Malapit ka na dyan sa may grotto, The brown one.
What brown one?
Ito, yung nasa taas. Not too close, matakot siya.
Looks like a statue.
Stop mo na siya. The gray one, I believe.
Aww.
Ito, dito yung eating. It's still eating there. So, sa side ng pot eh. What's he eating? Bone, chicken. Yummy. Chicken bone. He's not sharing. Ito is the chicken bone, no? Yum, yum. Oh, I'm going in